Miss Earth Fahrenheit 2008 delegates. The first batch beginning with Miss Estonia.
Good evening, Fahrenheit people. Standing in front of you is an 18-year-old stunner who goes by the name of Andrea Nicole Diana Olivia Isabella E. Fontana, but you can call me Andoy for short. Lagi po natin tatandaan, keep off the grass, at bakod mo, linis ko. At laging alalahanin na ang inang kalikasan ang pinaka-magandang regalo na may kapal sa atin. And I'm proudly to represent the magnificent country of human nature, Estonia!
Miss Iceland.
Good evening, this is Ice Baby 19, Miss Earth Fahrenheit 2008. Welcome to my homeland. Good evening, people of Fahrenheit. Hindi ko na po kailangan humingi ng mataas na grado para sa mga jurado dahil meron po akong dalang cue card. Cue card na magdadala sa akin sa tagaktok ng aking tagumpay. Ito po, Iceland, number 1. Lahat po sila malalaglag. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Don't pick the flower kasi ako yung flower na Diyosa. At bago pulisanin ang 4 na sulok ng tabladong ito na iwan ang katagang nawala tuloy ako. Wait for a while. Okay. Nag-iiwan na katagang, baklawan ako, bakla kayong lahat. Thank you.
Miss Jamaica.
Velo can touch my skin. Oh, that is yours. My name is Yuta Tayon from the land of Wow Wow Jamaica.
Miss Korea.
In this world full of impurities and ambiguities, I get out of my cocoon and put my footsteps on the moon. Homosexuals excel in the fields of art, medicine, down to the magical world of fashion. Yes, I give up. I give up my masculinity, but not my dignity. Good evening, Fahrenheit. Good evening, judges. Standing in front of you is a 1-year-old stunner. My name is Maria Kashikaka Bugera, and I'm proud to represent the Hermit Kingdom, Korea.
Miss Japan.
And Space War. Begin!
Hi, assignment. For this evening, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nicole
before you was once a little boy with big dreams. That when I grow up, I want to be famous. I want to be a star. I want to have movies. And when I grow up, I want to see the world, drive nice cars, no drive. And I want to have groupies and, of course, boobies. Pero ngayong gabi, isang pangarap lang ang nasa puso't isipan ko. Ang maging reyna ng kalikasan, Diyosa ng kagandahan. And most of all, to promote world peace. Oh wait, not world peace, that's for Miss Universe, okay. To promote self-awareness in saving Mother Earth. This is Dana Krasniqi, 19, from the land of Europe's promise. Go, go, go! Kosovo! Bago ko lisanin ang itablagang ito, gusto ko lamang iiwan ng mga katagang, maliban sa mga lalaki, ang plastic, lata, at ang mga basurang hindi nabubulok, ay pwede niyong i-reduce, reuse, and recycle. So mga green-minded, think green and think. Kosovo!